So we were talking on so many topics. We had short selling, we had malnutrition, we had somebody saying about their Shimla, somebody on their college, and then something about the politics, I think something on Indian education system, something on goals, and something on multimedia too. So where these things are happening, it's happening in this beautiful world, right? It's an amazing world. Is it true?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. When I was in college, final year of my college, I love this programming language, C programming. Everything was instructions. It's like you give something, you get out something. So I thought this world is totally of instructions programmed by somebody over there. Like somebody sitting over there and teaching me, this guy needs to talk right now, and this guy needs to walk right now. A whole set of people sitting over there, X kind of people. I don't know. I'm not an atheist, but I thought that there should be somebody, sitting over there called X guy who would be guiding each and every one here. Like me to talk, you to walk, your intellect, control your intellect. So many things. Like we have computers right now. We program it, and then they do several things like robots. Even you can create a world where robots can do their own work. So I thought it's a totally a program. So you people agree with that? Is it a program? Is our world a program? We have so many beautiful things. We have butterfly with a lot of colors in it. We have plants. We have oceans. We have so many beautiful things in this world. Is it created or existed? Anyone have any idea on this? Is it been created by someone or it's been existing for a long time? Is it? No one has an answer. I don't think so. We know that Big Bang Theory. There was a Big Bang Theory. They say that something started from the beginning and then exploded, and then we have a huge planet like this. But I had a talk with one of scientists, but he is a spiritual leader also. What he says, this world is existing for a long time. It is a cycle. It just goes on and on and on. There is a 28-day cycle which happens in human day as well as the moon's life. Moon changes its shape after 28 days, whereas the women's, they have that kind of cycle going on 28 days. So many things on this 28 days goes on and on. So I found it very interesting, to know about this universe, and I had a talk with him. What he said is, this is going to be, I'm talking right now. After 1,000 years, you would see me, the same person, talking in this place. So after 200 years, this world will demolish, destroy again. After 1,000 years, since it's a cycle, you see the same person talking the same way. It may happen. That's what he said. It was interesting. So anyone have points on that, thoughts on that? Cycles?
Is it just 1,000 years?
No, it may be 1,000 years, because sun is going to die. If you see that, sun is going to die after 5 billion years later. So after everything is going to destroy, after that it will start again. So same building will be there, same people will be there, same cars will be there, or something else.
So can it be something like this? We can travel in time because everything is going on again and again. So at this point it is going something. So after 1,000 years it will happen the same thing again. So can I travel in time?
Yeah, that's what if you heard about Stephen Hawking's brief history about time, he would discuss something about the future time. You and I don't have a I want to insist one more point what this spiritual guy said. He was talking about souls. Anyone know about something about souls? Okay. So every human body has this tiny spark of light which is driving them called souls. Okay? So that's what he said. I thought it's bullshit. What is this? He explained me in this way. You have a motorbike and you have this human body. Human body weighs 80 kgs or 70 kgs. You weigh around 70 to 80 kg. Okay? And you can just move your body easily. I can just walk easily, go back easily. Okay? With my someone driving me. Okay? But if somebody is going to take me, they will feel the pain. They will feel the weight. Okay? But the same way, a motorbike. You want to accelerate, you can go. But if you want to carry the vehicle, you will feel the weight. Okay, so it's making that way. Souls are driving you. So it is the intellect. Souls drive everything. It's the intellect, and brains get activated because of your souls, and it keeps on going. That's what I want to share. It's like very fascinating world. Things keep on going here and there. What is this world? Still, I'm just questioning myself what this world could be, or what we can do in this future. And I don't know. I still am trying to find out an answer with many people, trying to talk with intellectuals like scientists or spiritual guys. Spiritual guys take you in a different way. They say that this world is kind of souls, and rebirth will happen, this will happen. I couldn't believe in that. Scientists say that we invent so many technologies and this world will go on. I'm still trying to find out those things. So till that time, what I would suggest to you people is, what he suggested is, just show love to everyone, be happy, be peaceful, and these three things can take you anywhere in this world. So you love, enjoy your world, play the game in a safer way, and keep going on. Thanks a lot.